Hey YouTube, how's it going? It's Mr. 1-2 today, and from Challenge Accepted, and we got some packages here that we're gonna open up from Amazon and see what we got. So I already pre-opened some of them. So from the first one, I got a pop-up shield. Hopefully it didn't get damaged. Case is a little wet. Look at that. We got a nice pop-up shield. Second, got a nice new jacket. Look at that. This jacket here is actually for our winner of last month. So I'm going to be giving this to him because I happen to work with him. But it looks like this because I bought one myself. Has a nice little logo on it. This is Mr. 1-2 versus LDT, Challenge Accepted. So we got a nice, I guess, 3-season jacket. Alright. We have a Yeti microphone. Come on. Don't matter now. Got some cords and some instructions. There we go. Nice blue Yeti microphone. Yeah, blue Yeti. And then that way I can put my little pop-up shield for my microphone. And got some Be Excellent headphones. Five-year warranty. Some cables. More cables. Ooh. Look at these. Pretty nice. Looks like little snakes on them. I want to say vipers. Yeah. So that's what I got this week. Yeah, I got a headset, microphone shield, and my gift for our person that won last month. So, if you want to win this month, make sure that you subscribe to our channel. And when, I think next week, we're going to be posting the entry video. So make sure you check out for that entry video and comment the numbers. I think it's going to be 1 to 200 again, but I will find out again in about a week. And if you want to get more numbers into the entry, make sure you bring a friend So get a friend to subscribe to our channel and that they comment on any of one of our videos with your name, so I know that you brought them in, and you'll get extra number that month for each person that you bring in. So if you bring in 10 people, you get 10 extra numbers, and you get to have better chances of winning these cool prizes. Like I said, our goal is to get to 1,000 people, and once we get to 1,000 people, we can start handing out bigger and better prizes for you guys. So help us grow, and we will get some more cool prizes for you guys. And stay tuned for upcoming videos. So have yourself a great day. Later.